What's up, you guys? So we're taking a look at this unit here. We have a restriction on the evaporator here. What's up, you guys? So after clearing out the restriction, hopefully the unit runs good. We just brazed all the axes back on, put a new filter dryer, and now we're going to pressurize the system. We're at 250 pounds of nitrogen. So we just added some fresh oil in the vacuum pump. Now we're vacuuming the unit down. Right now we're scaling in 5.3 pounds of refrigerant. So we're at 73 right here. Went out about 100.